Dear students, in this lesson, let us see about chemical bonding. Actually, what is chemical bonding? It is a force of attraction which hold or bind the constituent atoms together in a molecule. So, this was given by Kosel and Lewis approach to chemical bonding. So, let us see about this. Actually, we know that when we are combining two atoms to form a molecule or two different atoms to form a compound, whatever it may be, this combination depend on octet rule, attaining stable configuration. So chemical bonding is occurring due to the stable configuration and also to achieve octet and to lower the potential energy of a system. So because of that only chemical combination is carried out. So due to the chemical combination, compounds are formed and molecules are formed. We know that there are two types of compound, ionic compound, covalent compound, and later on we studies coordinate compound and also metallic compound. So these all the bonds are formed: ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate bond, and metallic bond. These all the bonds are formed. So this all the bonds are formed due to attain the octet rule. So what is octet rule says that the principle of attaining maximum 8 electrons in the valency shell of atom is called octet rule. So when we are showing this electron dot structure, we shows the valency electrons by using dot. That is known as electron dot structure, and also it is known as Lewis dot structure. So this symbol, for example, if you are showing electron dot structure of hydrogen by using one dot, that is known as Lewis symbol. So you know that electron dot structure of particular element is also known as Lewis symbol. Here the bond formation of methane. So carbon has 4 valency electrons and hydrogen has 1 valency electron. So it is sharing 4 valency electrons of carbon to 4 hydrogen atom to form methane. So this is a Lewis dot structure for methane. So what are the conditions for writing the Lewis dot structure of molecules? Here you have the condition for writing the rules for the Lewis dot structure. Actually, the dot represents the electron, such as referred to Lewis dot structure. Thus, when two atoms share one electron pair, they are called joined by single covalent bond. And if it's shared by 2 electrons, it is double bond. It is shared by 3 electrons, it is triple bond. So when you see these rules, first we have to count the number of electrons. So when you see the according to this, all the atoms in the formula will have total 8 electrons. For example, oxygen. If you take that example of oxygen has 6 valence electrons. So it is combining with 2 hydrogen atom to form water molecule. Thus the bond formed between hydrogen and oxygen is single bond. So this is a Lewis structure for water molecule. So when we are showing this, we have to show the dot and also which bond is formed, which side electrons are forming the bond with other atom, that we have to show by using the bond. So here is the example of ammonia. Ammonia, nitrogen has a 5 valence electron. It is sharing with 3 hydrogen and 2 lone pair electrons are there. Here carbon tetrachloride, carbon has 4 valence electron. It shares its 4 valence electron with 1 electron of 4 chlorine atom to form CCl4. So what are the type of covalent bond? When we see the type of covalent bond, it is single covalent bond and double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. When does it form a single covalent bond? When it shares 1 electron from each atom. When it shares 2 electrons from each atom, it forms a double bond. When it shares 3 electrons from each atom, it represented by a triple bond. So when we are showing this Lewis dot structure, we have to show the Lewis dot as well as show the bond also. Here example of covalent bond. Here let us take the example of oxygen molecule. Oxygen has 6 valency electrons. So what happened to attain the octet? It need 2 more electrons. So the 2 oxygen atom shares 2 electrons each other. So the bond formed between 2 oxygen atom is double bond. Here it is given as a single bond. Actually it has to change as a double bond. O, double bond, O. When it is combined as a O3, then it will one oxygen atom will have double bond, another one oxygen will have single bond. Actually here when it combine 2 oxygen atom, it gives a double bond oxygen. carbon dioxide molecule. So here carbon has 4 valence electron, oxygen has 6 valence electron. So 2 electron from oxygen is combined with carbon. So oxygen has 4 more electrons left without bonding. So when we are showing the line, we have to show the bonded electron by using the line. Here nitrogen has 5 valence electrons, so 3 electrons are shared, so 2 electrons are left over without sharing. So that is lone pair electron. So when we show this, nitrogen has triple bond between the molecule, ethylene molecule. So C double bond CH2 double bond CH2. This is the way of writing the Lewis dot structure. What are the steps to write the Lewis dot structure? First, we have to calculate the required number of electrons for drawing the structure by adding valence electrons. For example, methane has 4 and hydrogen has 4, so 8 electrons. Next, if it is negative charge, we have to add an electron. If it is positive charge, we have to subtract an electron from the valence electron. Step 3, by using chemical symbol combining atom, we have to write the symbol of the atom by showing the dot. Next, the central portion of the molecule is occupied by least electronegative atom. And next, after distributing the shared pair, we have to show this bond. So for here one example we are given. This example is there in your textbook also. For Lewis dot structure for carbon monoxide molecule. So when you see the step 1, first we have to count the total number of valence electrons. Next we have to see write the structure of carbon monoxide, that is CO, and draw the single bond. When you draw the single bond, it will not satisfy, so that we have to draw the 3 line between carbon and oxygen. So we will be getting one pair of electron near 2 atoms and triple bond between 2 atoms, that is carbon monoxide structure, to attain the octet rule. And NO2 contain nitrogen, oxygen, as well as it contain one minus charge. So it is anion. When we see this anion, we have to see here also. First we have to count the total number of valence electron, 5, and 2 oxygen, so 2 into 6, and 1 negative charge, so that we have to add plus 1. So 18 electron. So oxygen, nitrogen, oxygen, draw a single bond between the bond pair, one shared, and between the nitrogen each of atom, completing the octet rule. So when we get this, we will get oxygen, one single bond nitrogen, double bond oxygen we will get. So outside that we will be getting the lone pair electron also. So this is the way we have to write the electron Lewis dot structure for particular compound or molecule. So in this structure does not complete. So finally last, when you see this nitrogen double bond O and nitrogen single bond O.